this is Sarah, the Catholic Homemaker. Today I want to show you how to make raw milk yogurt. Now, I made raw milk yogurt as one of my first videos on YouTube several years ago, but I found an even easier way than what I showed you before to make it that is so simple. It's even easier than making kefir. So I want to share that with you today. And there's benefits to eating raw yogurt or just regular yogurt that has been pasteurized and then recultured, but it's especially beneficial to eat raw yogurt because then you have all the enzymes present from the raw milk, and it's just easier to digest raw milk in general. And this can be done with any kind of milk as long as you have the right yogurt. So if you're going to make raw sheep's milk yogurt, you would want to have raw sheep's yogurt culture. And if you wanted to do it with cow's milk, you'd obviously have to have a cow's milk yogurt culture first. So let's jump into making it, and I hope you try it out with your kids.
First, you will need raw grass-fed milk from a local farmer, and make sure you get very high quality milk and that they have a clean source of milk. And you will also need some whole grass-fed yogurt. Those are the only two ingredients you'll need, and as you can see, this brand has some really clean ingredients, nothing bad in there at all. And then you will need a quart mason jar. You'll also need the lid. Okay, so I took 1/3 of a cup of the yogurt from the store, and I'm just going to dump it right into the mason jar. Then you will take your milk, shake it up if it is unhomogenized like mine and it's raw milk. Well, this video is all about raw milk yogurt, of course, so you have to do it this way with raw milk because we are not using heat. And fill it up to the top. You can mix it with a spoon, but if you fill it all the way up to the top, it may just be easier to put the cap on and shake the jar. And that's just what I did as well to make sure it was mixed properly. Okay. That's pretty much it, but you actually want to put it in your oven with the oven light on and leave it there for 24 hours. Here it is the next morning, about 10 hours later. Now, I have to admit, I completely messed this recipe up. I forgot I needed to put it in the oven light, so that's why I only did it for 10 hours, but I would recommend you do it for 24 hours, and then you would get a very thick yogurt. So even though it was only for about 10 hours and by the oven light, it still came out a little bit thick, but it would get very thick like a store type of yogurt if you did it for a full 24 hours with the oven light. So just putting it in the bowl so you can see, and of course I'm stirring it up because it's non-homogenized and the cream rose to the top when it is homogenized. So you definitely got to do that if it is non-homogenized. But there you have it, and it smells very pleasant, just like yogurt, and you can enjoy it. Now, I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think in the comments about your experience. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for all notifications. Until next time, bye.